What's up, guys? Today we'd like to talk about the Pacific Atlantic water flow. It is pretty classic graphic solution for these questions, and we need to understand like the order we do the first search uh, according to this question. So, firstly, we should determine the direction of our solution. So if we just go through like lines by lines, it'll be cost big O m square complexity. However, we're trying to use another way to make things easier and decrease the total time complexity by starting from the edge of this graph because every edge is connected to a certain ocean, which we could split our conventional visit set into two different ones. So we could add every element that concatenate to the Pacific Ocean to the Pacific Ocean to the seat and the other one to the Atlantic seat. Then we could get further into the next part of the code when we start from the starting point to iterate every single node that is adjacent to it. Then we have collected all the elements inside these two seats, and we could then try to collect every element inside that is in both seats and output into the result. So that's the question.